Here we are going to discuss the RISC and CISC of computer architecture and organizations. Now, what do you mean by RISC and CISC? Before of that, we are going to discuss the what do you mean by RISC. The full form of RISC is Reduced Instruction Set Computers. Is a computer which only use the simple command that can divide into several instructions which achieve low-level operation within the clock cycle, and its name process reduced instruction set. Now, the second types here we have that is called as a CISC. It shows the complex instruction set computer. A complex instruction set computer is a computer where single instructions can perform numerous low-level operations like load memory, arithmetic operations, memory stores are accomplished by multi-step processor or addressing modes in a single instructions. The complex instruction set. Now, here we are going to differentiate between the RISC and CISC. What do you mean by RISC and CISC? The first difference here is that the RISC stand for reduced instruction set. What indicate RISC? RISC stand for reduced instruction set computers. The first difference of CISC is CISC stand for complex instruction set computer. What it indicate? Complex instruction set computers. Now, the RISC processor have single instruction taking about one clock cycle. The average clock cycle per instruction is 1.5. What are the average clock cycle is 1.5. Now the CISC processor has complex instructions that takes up multiple clock for executions. The average clock cycle per instruction is range of 2 and 50. Now the third point is here, the performance is optimized with the more focus on the software. What are the RISC instructions? Here we have the performance is optimized with the more focus on the software. Obviously it is more focus on the software, and the performance is optimized with the more focus on the hardware in the case of CISC types of instructions. Obviously, when we consider the CISC types where the performance is observed through the software, and when we consider the CISC where performance is focused on hardware. RISC has no memory units and uses a separate hardware to implement the instructions. What it indicates? It uses a separate hardware. In CISC case, if we consider, it has the memory units to implement the complex instructions. Now the fifth difference is that from RISC point of view, it has the hardware unit programming, and CISC has the microprogram control units. We know that there are two types of hardware control unit and how we generate the microprogram control signal. Okay, we know that where we have the hardware control unit, and the second here we have the microprogram control unit. Same as here, the RISC is a hardware programming units and the CISC is here microprogram control units. The sixth point from RISC, the instruction set reduce. It has only few instruction in the instruction setup. Many other instruction is very primitive. The instruction set has variety of different instructions that can be used for complex operations. Now, the seventh point is that the instruction set has variety of different instructions that can be used for complex operations. If you consider CISC, CISC has many different addressing modes and can thus be used to represent the higher level programming language statement more efficiently. Now, point number 8, the complex addressing mode are synthesized using the software. What are the here we have the complex addressing mode are synthesized using the software. In 8 point, CISC is already support the complex addressing mode. Here we support the complex addressing mode. Now, multiple registers sets are present, and the CISC only has single register set. Point number 10 is RISC processors are highly pipelined. Already the pipeline concept already we have discussed what is the advantage using the pipeline. We can also increase the speed using the pipeline concept. Now in CISC they are normally not a pipeline. If we consider the CISC, they are not a pipeline or less pipeline. The complexity of RISC lies with the compiler and execute the program. The complexity is in the microprogram. Execution time is very less. Why it will take the execution time is very less in RISC types of instructions? Because RISC types of process, because it is a pipeline, it is work on the pipeline concept, and we know that if we use the pipeline concept, we require the minimum. Okay, that's why here we require the execution time is very less, or as compared to the RISC, CISC required the execution time is very high as compared to the RISC. Now, if you consider the next point, code expansion can be problem. Here we have RISC types of expressions. The code expansion is problematic. The code expansion is not problematic. Okay, what are the code expansion? There is no problematic. Now, it does not require external memory for calculation. What are the here point number 15 is says that if we consider the RISC types of instructions, it does not require the external memory for calculation, but it requires the external memory for calculation in the case of CISC types of instructions. The most common microprocessor are ARM is an example of RISC types of instruction processor. CIC is a Motorola 68800. Already we have discussed unit in unit number 2. What is the architecture of Motorola architecture of 68800? RISC architecture is usually high-end applications such as video processing, telecommunication, and image processing applications. Where the CISC architecture is used, low-end applications such as a security system, home, and automatic systems. So these are the difference between the RISC and CISC. The RISC and CISC is very important topic if you consider the as an exam point of view. So this is regarding RISC and CISC. Thank you.